I don't know what happened. I really want this ambulance tremor because it looks so big. And yeah. Did he mean beat you, or did he actually mean so we will eat you? I hope he meant beat you, because I don't want to eat him. Even though Folcates has been a bit of a pain, I don't want to eat him. Time to look. Okay. I think this music is just too loud. You probably can't even hear my voice. You can't do anything. I think we're doing something. It's becoming harder, guys. Look at me, it's just 17 million people. Come on, please. Due to the ambulance and the combat, honestly, it'll be too okay. We will do it. The leaderboard. Also, I have no idea what this is, but it's gonna be good. 19 million trophies. Well, I mean, I'm doing those probably 5 million. I wouldn't laugh. This is always when makes it a magical or scheme and somehow wins. Or is that just bad tails? Come on. 16 million trophies. Yeah guys, if you want me to do a touch football video tomorrow, let me know. I will be posting more videos tomorrow, so subscribe to be notified. And try, there you go, watch one of my videos whilst you wait. I will post more tomorrow. I think I'm getting too much. Finally! Oh! Cosmic trail. More trails! The best one without Robux is Godlike Trail. god, it's the last stage is like every single stage. It's about keyboard ones, that's okay. You know, oh yes, you correct. Minus 100,000. Yeah, I mean, I'll film some more videos tomorrow. Yeah, come on then. I'll film some more videos tomorrow, that's it. Come on, we need the admin. Folktales, $1 million left. Go, 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 go. We can do it. I know it's been like so long. But finally it feels so accomplished. Come on, I want to get the winning one. Oh my god. We won minus 1,000 aura focus. Did he just fall? Did he just fall? Yes, it's me! It's me! Where am I going? Did I get sucked into a black hole? No, no. I think I got sucked into a black hole. No. Who's this? Did I get sucked into a black hole? Are we playing a new game? Who's Miguel? Miguel. Oh, secret Loki. Secret underscore Loki. Yeah, producer. Chine. Script diff. Okay. I couldn't read it all. Okay, we've got 54 seconds to the update. I can't wait. Can we bring the admin treadmill back? Please, please. Where's my server? Oh, yeah, you can only have 3 in a server because of the events. What's the item shop? Oh, is it this? No. Inventory. Come back. Auras. I just bought the glow aura. If I click this aura, equip this aura, boom. Cool. 16.8 million. Roblox crashed then. Come on, please drop the update. Okay, I think the update's out. Do we? Where? So this is the ad. Oh. Whoops. Could have used that. Let's hang on. Before that, let me. Great, that's now we get 9+% speed. I think I've lost a lot. Oh my god, let's go. We're grinding. Roblox, hello, and they give you speed boosts. This is crazy. And well, I kind of don't see. Oh, so this is it, the new item shops. That was what it was in the inventory. That was new. Anyway, guys, I think that is the update. Oh wait, I can teleport to World 2. I've never been to World 2. Oh, it's so different. only pros are on World 2. I feel like a pro now because I'm in World 2. 250,000! I honestly feel such like a pro because I'm in World 2. Anyway guys, that is it for today. If you want more content like this or you like my content, oh my god, I'm getting so much. Subscribe. I hope you have a good rest of your day. I will post tomorrow, so don't worry. You can watch a video whilst you wait for tomorrow. Don't watch it overnight, okay? I don't want you to be tired whilst watching my videos. And subscribe if you want to be notified. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll post more tomorrow. Bye.